Hey y'all, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. While you're here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will help my channel to grow, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to be creating this Eat wood sign that Birchlane is selling for $52. Theirs is 7 inches high and 17 inches long. The one that we'll be doing is going to be 7 inches tall and 12 inches long, so it is going to be a little bit smaller, but that's just the wood that I had on hand. So let's get started with the Cricut. So what we're going to do, we're going to go and say new project. I'm going to add me a canvas. And I am going to make it, my width is going to be 12 and my height is going to be 7, sorry. Now we're going to reduce our screen so we can see it all here. So this is what we will be printing on. I'm going to change it to white. First thing we're going to do is add our text. Even the Cricut Sans is exactly the font that is being used in the other one. That's what it looks like. Okay, so this tells me that we should not have a problem and that the word eat should fit on the wood that I already have. So let's get rid of our background, and now we're going to just simply click make it, and we're going to print our letters out. As you can see, I don't set my Cricut to vinyl when I'm cutting vinyl. I put it on Paper Plus. It seems to cut the vinyl a lot better. Now we wait for the Cricut to print our letters out. Now that we're finished, we're going to weave this out and put it on some transfer paper. Got a little extra down here at the bottom. And I always save my scraps for little small projects. So I'm going to simply cut off this bottom part. Put it to the side. Put it on and we get all the air bubbles out. And what I used to do this is an old credit card that's no longer any good. just going to stick it there for now. This is the board that I used with the homemade chalk paint that turned out exceptionally well, I think. So now all that we have to simply do is put our stencil or put our vinyl onto this sheet. Just make sure it's stuck down real good. Peel off your transfer paper. Now, if you wanted to, you could leave it just like this, but I want to make it look a little bit more rustic and hand painted. So I'm going to get a cloth and the iron and go over this, and what that does is it causes the vinyl to get in the little wood grains. Okay, and all that I use is this is just an old shirt that I can no longer wear. It's got a big stain on it. That's what I use when I do this. All we're simply going to do is put the iron on it and press down. Now, as you can see, I'm constantly moving the iron. I'm not letting it sit in one place too long, because if you do, it will cause the vinyl to completely melt. Okay, and we'll go over it a little bit more. Now I'm going to take my scissors, and right where this line is in the wood, I'm going to cut into the vinyl. And I'm going to iron it again. Okay, so this is what we have, and it looks pretty close to the way it looked in the picture. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments, and keep on crafting.